In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to Monday.com. If you want to streamline communication and make your work more organized, integrating Outlook with Monday.com is a great place to start. This connection can help you bring together emails, calendar activity, and notifications so your team can manage information more efficiently without constantly switching between platforms. I'll walk you through the setup process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, open Monday.com and head to the integrations area. This is where Monday.com lets you connect with other apps and automate different parts of your workflow. Once you're there, look for the search bar and type in Outlook. Searching directly is the fastest way to find the correct app, especially if you have a lot of integration options available in your workspace. When Outlook appears in the results, select the Outlook integration to open its setup page. This is where you'll see the available connection options and any actions that Monday.com can perform with Outlook. Take a moment here to make sure you've chosen the correct integration, since some workspaces may offer several Microsoft-related options. Next, sign in to your Microsoft Outlook account. Make sure you use the account you actually want connected to Monday.com, especially if you manage more than one email or calendar. Once you enter your login details, Microsoft will ask you to confirm the connection. After signing in, allow Monday.com to access the required permissions. These permissions are necessary for the integration to work properly. Depending on how you plan to use the connection, this may include access to email, calendar information, or notifications. It's a good idea to review the permission request carefully so you understand exactly what is being shared between the two platforms. Once access is approved, choose the board, column, or workflow you want to connect. This part is important because it determines where the Outlook activity will be linked inside Monday.com. For example, you might connect emails to a specific board or tie calendar-related actions to a workflow your team already uses. Select the option that best matches the process you want to automate. Finally, test the integration using an email, calendar, or notification action. Testing helps confirm that everything is working correctly before you rely on it in your day-to-day work. If the action goes through as expected, your setup is complete. If not, double check the board selection, permission settings, and account connection. And that's it. You've successfully connected Outlook to Monday.com and are ready to start using the integration more effectively.